In humans, parathyroid glands 4 होते हैं. 4, they are present on backside of thyroid gland. 1 pair each in 2 lobes of thyroid gland. They secretes parathyroid hormone PTH. It's a peptide hormone. इसकी secretion is regulated by circulating levels of calcium ions. Parathyroid hormone increases calcium levels in blood. It acts on bones, stimulates process of bone resorption, dissolution या demineralization, and it also stimulates reabsorption of calcium by renal tubules. It increases calcium absorption from the digested food. PTH is a hypercalcemic hormone, that is, it increases the blood calcium levels. PTH along with TCD, that is thyrocalcitonin, has significant role in calcium balance in body. Thymus gland. This is a lobular structure located between lungs behind sternum, and it is located on ventral side of aorta. It has a major role in development of immune system. Thymus gland secretes thymosins. These are peptide hormone. Thymosins also promote production of antibodies which provide humoral immunity, and they have major role in differentiation of T lymphocytes. T for thymus and T for T lymphocytes, and these T lymphocytes provide cell mediated immunity. Thymus, it is degenerated in old individual. This result in decreased production of thymosins. तो इससे क्या होगा? Immune response of old persons become weak. Our body has 1 pair of adrenal glands, one at anterior part of each kidney. Adrenal gland is composed of 2 types of tissues. Centrally located tissue, adrenal medulla, and outside this is the adrenal cortex. Underproduction of hormones by adrenal cortex alters the carbohydrate metabolism, and this causes acute weakness and fatigue. This leads to Addison's disease. Adrenal medulla secretes 2 hormones, adrenaline या फिर एपिनेफ्रिन, दोनों सेम ही है. नॉर एड्रीनालिन या फिर नॉर एपिनेफ्रिन, ये 2 हार्मोन कौन से? कैटेकोलामीन्स इनको कहते हैं हम. एड्रीनालिन और नॉर एड्रीनालिन, दे आर रैपिडली सिक्रेटेड ड्यूरिंग emergency situations in response to stress of any kind. Therefore they are called emergency hormones या फिर hormones of fight or flight. These hormones, they increase alertness, pupillary dilation, piloerection मतलब raising of hairs, sweating, etc. They increase heartbeat, strength of heart contraction, rate of respiration. Catecholamines also stimulate breakdown of glycogen, and this result in increased concentration of glucose in blood. They also stimulate breakdown of lipids and proteins. Adrenal cortex is divided into 3 layers: zona reticularis, zona fasciculata, zona glomerulosa. Inner, middle और ये outer होती है. It secretes many hormones commonly called as corticoids. Corticoids involved in carbohydrate metabolism, they are called glucocorticoids. In our body, cortisol is the main glucocorticoid. Corticoids that regulate balance of water and electrolytes in our body, they are called mineralocorticoids. In our body, aldosterone is the main mineralocorticoid. Glucocorticoids stimulate gluconeogenesis, lipolysis, and proteolysis. They inhibit cellular uptake and utilization of amino acids. Aldosterone acts at renal tubules mainly, and it stimulates reabsorption of sodium ions and water, and excretion of potassium ion and phosphate ions. Therefore, it helps in maintenance of electrolytes, body fluid volume, osmotic pressure, and blood pressure. Small amounts of androgenic steroids are also secreted by adrenal cortex. They have role in growth of axial hair, pubic hair, and facial hair during the puberty. Pancreas is a composite gland. It acts as both exocrine and endocrine gland. Endocrine pancreas consists of islets of Langerhans. Islets of Langerhans, there are 1 to 2 million in pancreas, that is normal and of human. नॉर्मल पेनक्रियाज ह्यूमन पेनक्रियाज में 1 से 2 मिलियन होते हैं, एंड दे रिप्रेजेंट 1 to 2% ऑफ पेनक्रियाटिक टिश्यू ओनली. Two main types of cells in islets of Langerhans are alpha cells and beta cells. Alpha cells secrete glucagon and beta cells secrete insulin.